The CTE pathways that are offered at Glendale Unified are a great opportunity for students of all ages and all abilities to explore and to find success in many fields. Adding in an element of hands-on training, work-based learning, they create that bridge between what we can offer and what the people want.
Sets you up for whatever career path that you're taking that class in for the future, so that you learn it as soon as possible and you don't have to wait till something like college or past college.
We are pretty much hands-on with everything that can prep you for different career courses.
Pathways are important because they let people understand what it could be like to be in one of these fields.
Because of that, I've been able to just grow more and more confident in my decision to actually do this as a career.
It's really good to broaden your horizons on a ton of different aspects of different jobs.
I actually got offered an internship after this. I'm going to be doing simple CAD work, so all of that work I put into here is going to be transferred into a career.
You can already start your career in high school and then just move on into college easily.
It's been a really good opportunity to go out and venture and see these studios and these locations and get a scope of what it is to work in the industry.
And as we enter into the new age with AI and a changing work landscape, I know GUSD is going to bring more and more programs and prepare our students for the best possible future.